Hold on, before you tap that confirm payment button on YouTrip, are you really sure your money's safe? I mean, we've all seen the headlines, the whispers of online fraud, the digital shadows lurking in the corners of our financial lives. So, the question isn't just is YouTrip convenient, but is it secure? Let's be real, navigating the world of multi-currency wallets and online spending can feel like walking a tightrope. You're promised seamless transactions, competitive exchange rates, and a world of financial freedom at your fingertips. But what about the fine print? What about the hidden vulnerabilities? YouTrip has gained popularity, especially among travelers and online shoppers, and for good reason. It simplifies spending in foreign currencies, eliminating those pesky conversion fees that eat into your budget. But, as with any financial app, trust is paramount. So, let's dive into the specifics. First off, YouTrip is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. This is a big deal. MAS is known for its stringent regulations and oversight of financial institutions. This means YouTrip has to adhere to strict guidelines concerning data protection, anti-money laundering, and general operational security. But regulation alone isn't enough. We need to look at the technology. YouTrip utilizes advanced encryption to protect your personal and financial information. This encryption ensures that your data is scrambled and unreadable to unauthorized parties. Think of it as a digital vault safeguarding your sensitive details. Another layer of security is the two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra step to the login process, requiring a code sent to your phone or email. This makes it significantly harder for hackers to access your account, even if they somehow obtain your password. YouTrip also employs fraud monitoring systems. These systems analyze transaction patterns and flag any suspicious activity. If something looks out of the ordinary, you'll likely receive an alert, giving you the chance to confirm or reject the transaction. This proactive approach to fraud detection is crucial in minimizing risk. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, user responsibility. No matter how secure an app is, human error can still lead to problems. Phishing scams, weak passwords, and sharing your account details are all potential pitfalls. YouTrip provides educational resources on how to stay safe online, but ultimately, it's up to you to be vigilant. Think of it like this, YouTrip provides the sturdy lock, but you need to make sure you lock the door. Don't click on suspicious links, create strong and unique passwords, and never share your PIN or CVV. It's also important to consider the physical card itself. If your YouTrip card is lost or stolen, you can instantly freeze it through the app, preventing unauthorized transactions. This immediate control is a vital feature in today's fast-paced world. Furthermore, YouTrip operates on a prepaid model. This means you can only spend the amount you load into your wallet. This limits your exposure to fraud, as there's no direct link to your bank account or credit card. If your card is compromised, the potential loss is limited to the balance in your YouTrip wallet. However, no financial system is entirely foolproof. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and even the most robust security measures can be breached. It's crucial to stay informed about potential risks and to take proactive steps to protect yourself. So, is YouTrip safe? The answer, like with most things, is nuanced. It's safe in the sense that it employs strong security measures and is regulated by a reputable authority. But your safety also depends on your own vigilance and responsible use. Ultimately, it comes down to balancing convenience with caution. Do your own research, read the terms and conditions, and understand the risks involved. It's always better to be safe than sorry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.